Travel disruption ahead of Christmas is expected as gusts of 70 miles per hour hit the UK with a yellow weather warning issued. On Saturday, gusts of 82 miles per hour were recorded at South Uist in the Western Isles and Kirkwall in Orkney. Stormy weather with gusts of around 70 miles per hour caused pre-Christmas travel disruption, affecting flights, trains and ferries. A yellow wind warning is in place until 9 p.m. on Sunday in Northern Ireland, Wales, Scotland and much of England, with storms covering areas west of Southampton, Birmingham and Newcastle. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing the moments of extreme weather hitting a number of areas in England since last Sunday.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Almost there.
The Meteorological Agency predicts long-term strong winds which are likely to cause disruption over the weekend, especially disruption to travel. Gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour are expected across England, with the prospect of gusts of 70 miles per hour around some exposed beaches and hills, especially in the north and west. Not only that, warnings of rain, hail and thunder may also occur in several areas of England.
I think it's here. Probably no. Wait for it. Wait for it. Almost there.